Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Ray, heavy on the Mister. Wanted to let you guys know that I am officially moving to my new platform, which is, as you can see here on YouTube, Mr. Ray's Wealth Academy. I will no longer be posting any videos here. So if you want to keep up with what I'm doing and you want to continue learning what we're doing in stock options, baby, I need you to follow me over here. I also have an Instagram page, Mr. Ray's Wealth Academy. You got my X there, Mr. Ray's Wealth. And then, of course, on Facebook, the Wealth Academy Builders Group. I haven't got that set up yet, but I'm working on that. But all my subscribers here, I got about 100 of you here. I need you, all of you to go over right now, click and subscribe to Mr. Ray's Wealth Academy. From here on out, after today, I won't be here any longer. I'll be over there. So I need you to go over there and subscribe as soon as possible. All right, let's get this thing, baby. Let's go.